Welcome back, everybody. Today we're flying with American Airlines on their newest updated model for the Boeing 7879 from London to Chicago. We're going to find out if this refresh for this airline helps it out or if it's still falling behind the Asian airlines.
I was able to book this flight for 57,500 miles and $276.
Today's journey will take around 9 hours as I fly from London to Chicago on the Boeing 7879. The business class cabin on this aircraft is arranged in a 1-2-1 configuration, and my seat for today's flight is 1A, located in the very first row. Because this is a bulkhead seat, it's part of the preferred suite section and offers noticeably more space than the standard seats. Even with the additional room, this seat is priced the same as the other business class seats, making it one of the best choices if you're able to reserve it. Behind this first row, the rest of the business class seats follow the same overall design, but with a slightly smaller footwell and more compact personal space. The overhead bin above my seat was already completely full from the crew member's bag, so I had to place my luggage a few rows behind. Look at all these bags, it's like a hall right here. Got this. I have like no room to sit. All these bags take up everywhere. The non-bulkhead seats only came with one bag of linens. A few minutes in, I already got my sparkling wine right here. Not doubt. Just do a quick unboxing of what comes with the flight. We got this toiletry bag. This looks really nice. Partners with Raven Lily. I haven't heard of them before, but the quality is, I think, one of the best I've seen. So we got this package right here. Feels nice. Oh, so we got the pillow. It feels like old cotton, which is nice. And then I think a mattress cover. Actually, it's made from recycled polyester, but it feels like cotton. It's nice. So let's check out what's in this box here. It feels a little bit heavier. Oh wow. So we got the American Airlines, I think, blanket, and then a pillow. Oh, and then a mattress pad right here. So they got a lot of different items in here. I don't know how I'm gonna store this. Okay, all the blankets we have. Wow. We did. Let's see what's here. We got a water bottle. Oh, storage. Oh, nice. Headset. Bang times Wolfson. Okay, they do collaboration. Got a light. Oh, it's touch. Oh, we got the remote right there. Outlets. Some more storage right here. Wow, more storage. Of course, the sliding door. Oh, it's emergency use only. Let's take a look at the remote here. Oh, it's kind of interesting. Okay. Oh, it's almost like a phone. They go vertical instead of horizontal. Oh, interesting. Let's see. That's pretty cool. Now for the headphones. They look pretty solid. Look at that. Wow. Pretty solid.
Seatbelt should be fastened whenever you're seated in case of
Here's the menu for the food items. The main plates looked pretty tasty, but we'll see how it actually tastes. The menu also seemed to be more limited and lacked hot foods that can be served anytime during the flight. For the beverages, the spirits seem to be pretty limited and not as premium as I'd expect for business class.
So far from my initial impressions, this is very nice. I think the last time I got this excited about a business class product was probably with Qatar Airways of their Q Suites. Here, it kind of reminds me of the Q Suites, honestly, and this is very spacious. If you haven't already, book a bulkhead seat. The windows can be dimmed using this button. While it seemed like a cool concept, the sunlight still shone through strongly enough to blind me when I was trying to eat and when I was trying to sleep. We're about 10 minutes into the flight and finally got the hot towel. One thing I noticed is that they still haven't served or even asked for my drink yet. I did get the welcome drink, which is sparkling wine, but I'm looking to try out some of the cocktails or the wine on this flight, which I have not received yet. The domestic flight I flew on before this on British Airways even served the drinks faster, so I don't know why it's taking them a little bit longer here. The wine has arrived. I asked for the Chardonnay and it is from France, so I have high expectations. Well, that's really good. So it's Asian barrels are a little bit longer to add that wood taste, and I can definitely taste it. It feels really smooth. If you don't like that wood taste, you might not be the biggest fan of this. Let's try this olives with tomato, and I think it's cheese and tomato. That's really good. I'm not sure what I just ate. It tastes like kind of like a spicy pepper with some sweet cheese in it. It was pretty good. A little bit spicier than I expected because the spice still lingered. It's time to eat some lunch. This is the starter. Small plate of burrata, so tomato sauce, roasted almonds, cherry tomatoes, and black olive crumbs. And then here we got a big salad. It's a mixed field green salad. This is definitely American size. I'm not used to eating this big of a salad on a flight. The tray actually adjusts so far. Wow, look at that. Wow. Tomato sauce is good. Burrata could use a little bit more flavor. For the main course, I got a beef smoked Sunday roast. It looks good, so let's see if it tastes as good as it looks. Kind of looks like braised beef, so I have good expectations. Wow. So juicy and tender. This is really good. I'm impressed. Okay, it is dessert time, and I'm super excited. We got a gourmet cheese plate for desserts, and the cheese quality looks pretty good. That's really good. I think that's brie cheese. Good flavor, good texture. This last one, it looks like a blue cheese, but orange color. Not bad. It's definitely like a blue cheese flavor, but more on the like a bitter cheddar flavor. So far, it's pretty good. I'm impressed with the cheese plate.
The bathrooms seem pretty straightforward. They also lacked additional amenities such as extra toothbrushes.
Let's see, so English. Oh, okay, that's cool. I like the user interface on this. Movies. It is a little bit laggy. So look at this. Shows. Let's stop. A lot of these movies, not too familiar with. See shows. I got Dexter. Oh, some good selections. So here, you press Bluetooth. Press Bluetooth and connect to headphones to it. It's pretty cool. Here's the game section. I got some different games. It's the blanket. It's pretty nice. Very fluffy. But I think they gave us too many linens, so I'm gonna put this on the overhead bin, so I get some more room for my feet. The mattress pad itself is pretty thick. Wow, look at this. I think it's a memory foam in it, which is nice. I don't think I've ever seen a memory foam. Alright, so I think we got the bed. Let's try it out. Oh, this is pretty comfortable. The seat, I couldn't get to lay flat completely. I'm not sure why. I've tried different times, different methods. It's not as user-friendly. But for the legroom, the width is really good. For the length itself, it could be better. My feet are already touching the wall. And I'm only like 5'9", so it's... Overall, I think for the toe box width, it's probably the biggest I've seen. Maybe the JL, like the coffin style seats, have more room, but here, plenty of leg room. My head's at the top of the seat that I can get it to. It's almost touching the wall, all you can see. And my foot down there, the right foot's pretty much touching the wall already. I'm only 5'10", so if you're taller, you might not be able to lay flat completely, honestly. I'm currently leaning against the wall, and there's a good amount of leg room. There's about 1 hour left, so they served a light meal. You can either get the bao buns or the Thai noodle salad. I decided to go with the bao buns, and they look so good so far. Nice. And looking back, the bao bun tastes good, but not too traditional. You don't have like that sweet fork flavor. This is they're kind of like an American take on the Chinese bao bun. What's pretty interesting is that for the light meal, the two options are both Asian style influenced. And for earlier, the only meals my ad didn't have any Asian influence at all, so I wonder why this one changed. Apparently, American Airlines just added these athletic drinks. They're non-alcoholic, but supposed to taste really good and similar to beers. So let's find out. Oh wow, tastes like IPA. Not as crisp and not as flavorful as IPA, but definitely really close. I'm surprised for a non-alcoholic beer that tastes so close to a beer. Wow. All right, my favorite part is to check out these amenity kits that airlines give. So far for this, American Airlines, this is very cool. I don't think I've ever seen this type of shape. It's like almost like a pouch. So cool. Wow. So let's open it up. Let's see. Oh, let's see. Wow. So first we got socks, eye mask that has like a little bit of Flagship logo on it. Oh, it's like I have a strap to add to the bag so you can make it into a pouch. That's so cool. Refreshing towel. This is sealed already, but it's hand and body lotion, lip balm, and facial mist. Okay. This is also sealed right here. It says tissues. Okay. Earplugs and a dental kit, which is nice because earlier at the bathrooms, they did not have any dental kits, which I thought was pretty standard for business class flights that are international. That's so cool, but overall, this pouch is really cool. Wow. I love it. Well, about 45 minutes from landing in Chicago, so it is time to review the flight. The business class seat itself is very nice. The refresh model, I think, is beautiful. It's so much more modern, better looking than the previous model. Aside from that, I think the experience was good, not great. The food was so-so, but I think they played it too safe. I don't think it's quite up there with the Asian airlines, but still a pretty good experience for flying business class.